What if I told you type 2 diabetes is not permanent? Millions of people live with this condition thinking they'll need pills or insulin forever. But here's the shocking truth. With the right steps, diabetes can be reversed. Most doctors never tell you this, but today I'm going to break it all down. Why diabetes really happens, the hidden early signs you should never ignore, and the science-backed steps to reverse it naturally. Stay with me until the very end, because I'll reveal one powerful food that helps repair insulin resistance faster than most medications. The myth of permanent diabetes. Most people believe this. Once you have diabetes, you're stuck with it for life. That's not true for type 2 diabetes. Diabetes type 2 is not just about high sugar, it's about your body refusing to respond to insulin. Imagine insulin as a key. In healthy people, the key opens the cell and lets sugar in for energy. But in diabetes, the lock is jammed. The key doesn't fit anymore. This is called insulin resistance. Fix that resistance and you can fix the disease. Studies like the Newcastle University Diabetes Reversal Trial and the Virta Health Program have proven this again and again. Once diabetic, always diabetic? That's a lie. Why diabetes happens. Now let's talk about why diabetes develops in the first place. The biggest root cause is belly fat. Not the fat you can pinch on your waist, but the dangerous fat around your organs, called visceral fat. Visceral fat causes insulin resistance by causing chronic inflammation and releasing harmful free fatty acids into the blood, which impair the function of cells in the liver, muscles, and fat tissues. This inflammation and fat accumulation creates a dangerous cycle. When your liver and pancreas are surrounded by fat, they stop working properly, that leading to cellular stress and improper insulin signaling. Add to that a diet full of sugar, white bread, processed oils, and fast food, and your blood sugar spikes all day long. Repeated sugar spikes throughout the day lead to a constant state of high blood sugar, damaging various organs over time. On top of this, a sedentary lifestyle, poor sleep, and stress hormones like cortisol make the problem even worse. Do you ever feel tired right after meals? Or crave sweet at night? These are not small issues. These are red flags of insulin resistance. Have you noticed this in yourself? Comment yes if you've ever felt these symptoms. Early warning signs. Most people think diabetes starts suddenly, but the truth is, it begins silently, years before diagnosis. For example, if your doctor diagnosed someone diabetic at 45 years of age, but the truth is, it started around 32 to 35 years of age, or maybe even earlier. Till then, your body tried to compensate for you until one day your body says, I cannot. That is the day you start to see the signs. Some early warning signs include constant fatigue, even after 8 hours of sleep, still feeling tired, brain fog, even small things draining you and forgetting things quickly, can't even concentrate on your daily work, weight gain around the belly, eating less but still gaining weight, frequent urination and constant thirst. Maybe you wake up twice at night just to use the bathroom, or maybe you're always thirsty even after drinking water. These are not random. They are your body's way of screaming for help. Here's a question for you. Have you ever ignored these signs? Comment with your experience. Your story might actually save someone else's life. It begins silently, years before the doctor even tells you that you're diabetic.
Now, here's the part you've been waiting for. The actual blueprint to reverse diabetes. First, diet. Cut out refined sugar, white bread, sweet sodas, and processed junk food, burgers, and fries. Replace them with lean protein, like chicken breast, fish, seafoods, vegetables. Healthy fats, like olive oil, nuts, and seeds. A low-carb, high-fiber, high-protein diet is the foundation. Second, movement. A 30-minute brisk walk after meals lowers your sugar right away. Add simple strength training, even bodyweight squats or push-ups, to make your muscles more insulin sensitive. Third, sleep and stress. Sleep at least 7 hours. One bad night of sleep can make your blood sugar as bad as eating 5 donuts. Stress through cortisol directly spikes blood sugar. Try meditation, journaling, or reading calm, fun, your favorite book before bed calms your mind, or even deep breathing exercises. Finally, natural home remedies. Cinnamon helps insulin work better by increasing the function. Fenugreek seeds, soaked overnight and eaten in the morning, lower fasting sugar. Green tea reduces sugar spikes after meals. This is your 4-pillar blueprint: food, movement, rest, and natural boosters.
Reversal is not only possible, it's proven. This is stronger than most medications. And now the food I promised you earlier. Leafy green vegetables, spinach, kale, fenugreek leaves. These foods directly improve insulin sensitivity. Contains powerful antioxidants and phytonutrients that combat free radicals, reduce oxidative stress, and offer anti-inflammatory benefits. Even one serving a day can help your body use insulin better. Best way to eat? Simple 5-minute steam them, add few drops lemon juice and salt to taste, and you're good to go. Combine this with cinnamon, daily walking, and stress control, and you've built a lifestyle that can reverse diabetes naturally without side effects.
To summarize, type 2 diabetes is not a life sentence. It's reversible. Let's start with the causes. Constant snacking. Junk foods like sodas, burgers, fries, chips, and crisps. A sedentary lifestyle, chronic sleep deprivation, and simply not moving enough. All these push your body into insulin resistance. Now the signs and symptoms. Always feel sleepy and tired? Struggle with brain fog? Are you constantly thirsty? Waking up at night? Or craving sweets after meals? These are early warning signals your body is giving you. But here's the good news. You can beat this. Start with portion control. Choose a high-protein, high-fiber, low-carb diet with lean meats and healthy fats. Add simple daily movements. Even body weight exercises are enough. And cut out processed foods, refined sugar, and trans fats completely. Superfoods can help too. Spinach, kale, fenugreek leaves and seeds, cinnamon, and even lemon. And the most powerful habit of all, just walk 5 minutes after every meal. Your body will thank you more than you can imagine. Remember, type 2 diabetes is a lifestyle disease. And with the right lifestyle, it can be reversed.
Call to action. Not a life sentence. It's a warning, and you have the power to reverse it. Don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Share this video with at least one person who needs it. And tell me in the comments, what's the hardest part of controlling your sugar? Diet, exercise, or stress? I'll read your answers and make a video just for that. Your health is in your hands. Start today.